In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet point lines in Obsidian. By the end, you'll know how to quickly create clean bullet lists and nested sub-bullets so your notes are structured and easy to scan. First, open Obsidian and head into the vault where you want to work. If you're just opening the app, you'll land in your main workspace with the file browser on the left and an empty editor or a recent note in the center. We'll get organized so your bullets live in a tidy place. Create a new folder using the New Folder button in the file browser. This is optional, but it's great for keeping related notes together. Give the folder a clear name so you can find it later without thinking. Organization up front saves clicks down the road. Now, make a new note. Click New Note and place it in that folder so everything stays grouped. You should see a blank editor ready for text. This is where the magic happens. Start typing your content. You might write a title at the top and then a few simple lines underneath for the ideas or tasks you want to turn into bullets. Don't worry about formatting yet. Just get your thoughts on the page. When you're ready to convert a line into a bullet, use the built-in hotkey. On Windows, press Ctrl and L. On Mac, press Command and L. That toggles a bullet on the current line and sets you up for a bulleted list. If your shortcut behaves differently, that's okay. Hotkeys can be customized in Obsidian settings, so the command might be mapped to another key combo in your setup. Once a line is bulleted, continuing to write on new lines will keep the list going, making it quick to build out your points. To create a sub-bullet, press Tab while your cursor is on a bullet line. This indents the item and makes it a child of the line above, which is perfect for breaking down details, subtasks, or examples. Indentation communicates hierarchy, so use sub-bullets to group related information and keep your top-level points clean. If you indent too far, most systems support Shift plus Tab to move a bullet back to the previous level. That's the entire workflow. Open Obsidian, set up a folder if you want, create a new note, add your content, toggle bullets with the keyboard shortcut, and use Tab for sub-bullets. Practice this a few times and you'll fly through note-taking with neatly structured lists. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Obsidian.